When you're a little boy, some want to be policeman or whatever. I always wanted to be a pilot. I'm a captain for 12 years now with my company. Yeah, I always wanted to have my own seaplane or doing seaplane flying. Yeah, crazy pilots. They just do flying as well on their free time. I'm not a citizen of the US, and in order to register an aircraft with the FAA, you have to be either a citizen of the US or permanent resident. I doubt you would be able to do that without any help. To find a company, I just searched on the internet. I did some telephone calls, some voicemails, some even didn't pick up during office hours. Some they had a secretary there, but she didn't know what I was talking about. Yeah, when I called Deer Creek, they just connected me with Aaron, and yeah, he was. I had the impression he knows what he was talking about. They told me how much it is, and there was no additional cost. So that's what I want to hear. They were responding to emails pretty fast and actually also very friendly. So I can strongly recommend them.